Hey guys, I'm CodeMeister and it's time to code. And welcome to HTML tutorial number 4, where we'll be changing the position of our image with CSS. But wait, if you're new to HTML and you know nothing about it, I strongly suggest that you go to HTML tutorial number 1, where we'll be understanding the program and getting used to the text editor that we are using. Now, let's get to it. Okay, so here we have our webpage, and I don't really like where the image is. Now to change the position of the image, we have to use our handy dandy friend CSS. And the first thing we want to do is, of course, grab the image. And to do that, we'll just type img, which is the tag that we use for our image. Now, get the brackets, and I want to make it go completely to the right. And to that, I'll type right 0 pixels. And let's run. Let's see what happens. Nothing changed. And I'll tell you why. Now, to change the position of anything, the first thing you have to type in CSS is position absolute. Now, this will allow you to move your image to where you specify. Now it's completely at the right. I can do the same thing for left. Boom. Now, I don't really like where it is top down. I can change that too. I can make top 0 pixels or bottom 0 pixels. That is how you change the position of your image and anything else in CSS. And I'll see you guys next time.